what's up? It's Rachel and welcome back to my channel, That's So Rachel. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and press that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. As you can see by the title of today's video, this is how I got the perfect winged eyeliner. So I don't know about you, but for me, I never really did winged eyeliner because it was always so hard to accomplish for me. Like I would have like an eye stutter, my hand would move, or you know, the eyeliners weren't good enough, or it just took too much time. Simply just too much time to do. And I just really didn't have the time to do that until I discovered a certain eyeliner set that I am about to show you guys on how I got this perfect winged eyeliner look. Now, I know this may not be for you like makeup gurus or whatever. I'm not like a makeup pro, makeup artist or whatever. So this is probably like not literally perfect to you, or it's uneven, whatever. But I am gonna show you guys kind of how I achieved that like Ariana Grande winged eyeliner look, but in like half the time. Like you don't have to sit there and like take years to get this like Ariana Grande look, because girl, we just don't have that time anymore. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys want to see how I got this little like Ariana perfect winged eyeliner look, go ahead and keep watching. Okay, I'm hoping you guys can like see me. I'm kind of doing this in the natural light with the lights. It's kind of overcast out. But without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I straightened my hair today, but I put it back in clips. So I don't know if you guys can tell at all, but I've already done the rest of my makeup. Oh, and by the way, this is not like sponsored, paid, or anything. I'm literally just sharing with you guys the products that I found. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So what I'm using is the Kaja Wing Stamp Kit. I don't know if you guys know it. I found it in Sephora. I don't know where else they carry it, but it's definitely in Sephora. If you know the brand Kaja, I love all their stuff. It's super cute. But this is the wing eyeliner pen we're gonna start out with, okay? So this is what it looks like. OMG Influencer. Okay, so it's literally just your normal black felt eyeliner pen. So what you're gonna do, by the way, I'm gonna do one eye for y'all and one eye off camera because you guys just need to get the gist of it, just see how I do it. So I'm just gonna show you guys one eye. But you literally just take this felt pen and do your normal eyeliner line above your eyelashes, just like you would do. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that in the mirror.
If you're like me, you kind of have like an eye stutter problem. See, there it goes. Slash like not hand stutter, but like kind of like an eye stutter. So I like to do this part first.
Okay, it could be like kind of sloppy. It doesn't have to be perfect. So as you can see, just a normal like line. That's all I have right now. So as you can see, this could be sloppy right now. I'm gonna touch it up after. But what you're gonna take is the Kaja Wing Eyeliner Stamp. This is what it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, it has left and right on it. And that obviously goes with what eye? So you guys are opposite of me, but I'm doing the left eye right now. So I'm gonna take the left stamp, and what it is a wing stamp. So it's super cool. This is what it looks like. Wait, can you guys even see it? Maybe you can see it, I don't know. But it's literally in the shape of a wing, which I've had to master this too. It's kind of hard to get, so don't judge me, but you guys get the gist. You take this stamp, and you literally, right above the line, stamp it. Okay, so as you can see, it put the wing stamp on there. Now, you're not done yet. You're gonna go back with the felt pen and you're gonna take where the stamp, the top of the stamp, and pull the line over. Okay, so see, like my eyeliner is getting a little thicker now. Okay, you guys get the gist. But over here, I think I have water on my eye and it's not like putting on, but as you guys can see, literally, that's how easy it is. If I was like rushing and like doing this without making the video, I can get these wings done in like less than 5 minutes. Like, it's so easy, y'all. You literally just take the felt, do the stamp, even it out, done. You don't have to sit there for like 10 minutes trying to perfect this little wing that you like want to get, or the like Ariana Grande look or whatever. It literally is easy as 1, 2, 3. Now, ignore like the water, like, you know, my eyes watering, that's why it's like that. But to finish off the look, so I don't even know if you guys can see, but I have like this like Laura Mercier like pink like shimmer. It's like a contour or whatever. But to even it out, like the liner, like I don't want it so strong, like a freaking like gothic like look. Of course you can. Like if you are going out or whatever and you want a darker wing, go for it, sis. But what I do to tone it down is I use this, ignore it's dirty, Truth or Bear Morphe eyeshadow palette. And I forgot what the shade is called, but it's this shade right here. I just literally dip my ring finger in it and literally pat it on top of the, like my lid, but also getting kind of on the eyeliner. And as you can see, the finished look on that eye, honestly guys, it looks so much better and like naturally and stuff like that. You probably can't even really tell, but overall, you know, you can tell the difference between like that eye with just mascara and then this eye with the winged eyeliner. It really brings out your eyes. It really makes your eyes pop. And I have been like addicted to doing this like winged eyeliner look because I feel like it brings like my eye out a little bit more. But as far as that, that's literally all you have to do. Like I said, it would take like 5 minutes if you were like actually doing your makeup and me not making a video. But I'm gonna take these out now, y'all. And I am going ahead and gonna do the other eye off camera real quick and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I did the other eye off camera and I just kind of moved to my window to show you guys in the natural light, like kind of, you guys can maybe see it a little better. They may be a little uneven, don't judge me. I'm trying to get better at winged eyeliner. If you have any tips on how to get a perfect winged eyeliner too, or like tips and tricks, comment down below and I will totally read them and definitely try them. But as far as the perfect wing eyeliner, I found that Kaja wing stamp kit is so convenient, cute, and totally works. And it makes doing makeup so much easier and more fun. So I definitely recommend it. And yeah, that is how I got perfect wing eyeliner. And of course, gonna get better over time. So I'm sure I can make an even better one. But it'll do for now. And like I said, the eyeshadow adds a shimmer and definitely tones it down. It almost looks like navy eyeliner on me. So guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you didn't know about this set that I discovered, definitely go to Sephora and get it. I totally recommend it. And like I said again, if you know any other like tips and tricks, whatever about like eyeliner or other eyeliners that are like, that can do really good cat eyes, definitely comment down below. Obviously you guys don't know I'm obsessed with makeup, so yeah. But other than that, all my social media will be linked down below. Go ahead and follow me on that. And like I said at the beginning of the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and press that subscribe button down below. and turn on the bell button. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye!